ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पेज नंबर 1013। कतम आत्मेति. This was the question asked by Janak Maharaj. Yagnevalkya ji gave the answer. Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu Rudyantar Jyoti Purushaha. Now the next part is being shown. Why Swapna is used for showing the Swayam Jyotishtvam of Atma.
In Jagrat, all indriyas are there and Vyavahara is going on, so it is difficult to differentiate the Atma from the Sangata.
Anybody else?
Multiple jyotis in Jagrat. Other jyotis are also there in Jagrat.
Other jyotis are there. Because what was the Anumanam? What was the Anumanam? Yatra yatra vyavaharatvam tatra tatra sanghata vyatirikta jyotish purvakam. So sanghata vyatirikta jyoti is Aditya jyoti also, Chandrama jyoti also, all of them. So to show Swayam Jyoti of Atma, Sanghata Vyatiriktatvam is shown in Swapna. समानः सन् उभौ लोकावनुसञ्चरति यः पुरुषः स्वयमेव ज्योतिरात्मा स समानः सदृशः सत्. सः समानः सन्, that Atma is being samana, san, ubhau lokau anusancharati. This is the vakya from the mantra. Yaha purushaha swayameva jyotihi. Atma, purusha which is jyoti swarupa, Atma, saha samanaha. Samanaha means sadrishaha. Sadrisha san. Tika. Sadrishaha san anusancharati iti sambandhaha. Samanaha san means sadrishaha san anusancharati. सादृश्यस्य प्रतियोगी सापेक्षत्वम अपेक्ष्य पृच्छति. Sadrishya is always Pratiyogi Sapeksha. Like, if you say, Bhutale Vartate, तो Vartate kaha Pratiyogi Jignasa will be there. I have Jnanam. Kasya Jnanam. Knowledge of what? Pratiyogi. Or Jnanam is there. Ghatak Jnanam is there. So then, Kasmin, who has Ghata Jnana? So here Sadrishya also. Atma is Samana. Samana means Sadrisha. Atma is like what? Kena. तो सादृश्यस्य प्रतियोगी सापेक्षत्वम अपेक्ष पृच्छति केन सदृशः केन मीन्स केन सदृशः उत्तरम प्रकृतत्वात् सन्निहितत्वाच्च हृदयेन केन सदृशः हृदयेन सदृशः why because that is the prakarana and it is sannihita, it is so proximate. हृदयेन टीका प्राणानाम अपि तुल्यम प्रकृत प्राण प्राणेषु was said like हृदि it is said प्राणेषु तो प्राणानाम अपि तुल्यम प्रकृतत्वम that means प्रकृतत्वम prakaranam was of prana also. Iti chet tatraha sannihitatvat, but it is sannihita. It is more closer to hridayena. Hetu dvayam sadhayati. Hridi, so two hetus, prakritatvat, sannihitatvat cha. Hridi iti. Hridi, so hridaya gets hrit adesha. Hridaya gets hrit adesha. That's why hridi iti hrit shabdavachya buddhihi. There is a sutra, Paddanno mas hrit nish asan yushan doshan yakan shakan udan asan shash pravritishu. This is the sutra. These are the shabdas. Most of them, they are the sharira avayavas. They get these adeshas. So, Paddanno mas hrit nish asan yushan doshan yakan shakan udan asan. These are the adeshas. Pad adesha for pada, dat for danta, nas for nasika. Nasika gets nas adesha. Mas, mamsa means mas will get mas. Hridaya will get hrit. Nisha gets nish. Asrij will get asan. Yush will get yushan. Dosh will get doshan. Yakrit, yakrit means liver, gets yakan. Shakrit, udaka. Udaka gets udan. That's how udanya. And asana gets asan. Shash pravritishu. Shash pravriti means how many adeshas? Means in how many places? Shash pravriti means how many?
From Dvitiya Bahuvachanam onwards up to Saptami Bahuvachanam.
So out of 21, the Sarvanama Sthana, 5 are out. Rest of them. So here, Hridi iti Hrit Shabdavachya Buddhihi. The sutra number is 6163. Buddhihi Prakrita Sannihitacha. Tasmat Tayeva Samanya. So it is similar to Buddhi. Atma is similar to Buddhi here. If you remember the Brahma Sutra in Dvasuparna or in Ritam Pibantau Sukratasya Loke, that Adhikarana, the two Siddhanti said Atma and Jiva, Paramatma and Jiva. And Purva Paksha had said
Jiva and Buddhi.
Jiva and Buddhi. The Bhartru Prapancha Mata, if you remember. So here, in the mantra, means in the Bhasha, it is said Buddhi. Buddhi means you have to understand Chidabhasa. Because Chidabhasa is not available alone. Chidabhasa is available only in Buddhi. So one is Atma, that is sure. It's similar to what? Buddhi, because Buddhi is Sabhasa Buddhi. That has similarity to Atma. And this similarity we already saw in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta session. It will come in Naishkarmya Siddhi, 3rd chapter. Pratyatvam, Bodhritvam. They both are, Pratyat means inner. Both have the ability to know, Bodhritvam. In both, Atma Shabda Vyavahara happens. So, and because there is Sahaja Tadatmya, Buddhi and Chidabhasa, they have Sahaja Tadatmya. Therefore, it appears that Buddhi is always with Chaitanya. So that is the Sadrisha. And it is more relevant here because the Ihaloka Paraloka Gamanam will happen by Buddhi. But the Ajnani thinks, I am transmigrating. I am going from one world to another. Ubhau loka vanusancharati. Ihaloka Paraloka. So this Sancharanam is actually by Sukshma Sharira, which includes Buddhi. Prakritatvat, Prakritattvadi phalam aha, tasmat tayeva samanya. Therefore, the similarity is with Buddhi alone. And later the Sadhihi Swapno Bhutva, it will come. So Sadhihi, the one along with Buddhi, Atma along with Buddhi, Sadhihi. Samanyam Prashna Purvakam Vishadayati. Samanyam means what is the similarity? Samanyam means Sadrishyam. Kim Punaha Samanyam. Ashwa Mahishavat Vivekato Anupalabdhi. What is the similarity? That they are not available distinctly. Ashwa Mahishavat, like a horse and a buffalo, how you can see them distinctly, how they are available separately, like that they are not available. Vivekato Anupalabdhi. 4 number tippani. Ananubhavaha Avidyam Tadatmya. Because of ignorance, there is mutual superimposition between Atma and this Sabhasa Buddhi. This is Yushmadasmad Pratyaya, Gochara Vastu. Vivekato Anupalabdim Vyakti Kartum Buddhi Jyotishoho Swarupam Ah. Vivekato Anupalabdim. Vivekataha, their upalabdhi is not there. Anupalabdim Vyakti Kartum. To express that, Vyakti Kartum Buddhi Jyotishoho. Buddhi and Jyotishi, Atma, their Swarupam Aha. Avabhasya Buddhihi. Avabhasakam Tadatma Jyotihi Alokavat. Avabhasya is buddhi. What is illumined is buddhi. The avabhasaka is Atma Jyotihi, like Aloka. Avabhasakatve drashtantamah. The example he gives for avabhasakatvam. Avabhasya avabhasakayor vivekato anupalabdhi prasiddha. It is very well known between avabhasya and avabhasaka that there is no viveka. Vivekataha anupalabdhi. Bakar is missing. Drishtanta we have seen earlier. Ghata. Ghata is experienced.
Yes.
Yes.
And along with Ghata, what is experience?
Light.
Aloka.
Aloka, the light. So avabhasaka is the light. Avabhasya is the padartha, object, Ghata. Ghata is illumined by the light. Between them, viveka is not there. You cannot separate the two. I cannot separate the light from the object. Like that, I cannot separate Atma from Buddhi. Because when Buddhi is there, I feel I am there. When Buddhi has gone to sleep in Sushupti, Atma is not available for Vyavahara. तथापि कथम विवेकतो अनुपलब्धिस् तत्राह अवभास्य अवभासकयोर विवेकतो अनुपलब्धि प्रसिद्ध. So their viveka is difficult between the two. Prasiddhim eva prakatayati. What is very well known, vishuddhatvat hi aloko avabhasyena sadrusho bhavati. Because aloka is so pure, the light, it becomes one with avabhasya. So the light is so pure, it becomes one with the object, ghata. So you can't see the two. And he gives example. Uktam artham drishtantena buddhau aropayati. This drishtanta is so beautiful, and the more we reflect on it, we will benefit from it. दृष्टान्तेन बुद्धौ आरोपयति. यथा रक्तम अवभासयन् रक्त सदृशो रक्ताकारो भवति. Who is the karta of bhavati?
Alokaha.
Aloka. These kind of questions you should have, and then you will know the answer. So this is how you do the अन्वय properly. आलोकः रक्ताकारो भवति. यथा रक्तम अवभासयन्. When it is illumining red object, the light becomes red. यथा हरितम नीलम लोहितम च अवभासयन् आलोकस तत्समानुभवति. If it has to illumine something harita, green, it will become green. If it is dark, like blue or black, it will become like that. Because aloka does not have any specific dharma of its own, as if it just blends with whatever is there. Tat samano bhavati. दृष्टान्तगतम अर्थम दार्ष्टान्तिके योजयति तथा बुद्धिम अवभासयन्. So दृष्टान्त, the meaning of दृष्टान्त now he applies to दार्ष्टान्त. तथा बुद्धिम अवभासयन्, बुद्धि द्वारेण कृत्सम क्षेत्रम अवभासयति इति उक्तम मरकतमणि निदर्शनेन. In the same way, buddhim avabhasayan, illumining the buddhi, buddhi dvarena, with first it illumines buddhi. Through buddhi, it illumines the entire kshetram. Pritham kshetram avabhasayati iti uktam. How Markatamani Drishtanta, that Markatamani, if it is kept in the milk, then it will illumine the entire milk like that. Punaruktim pariharati. Somebody says, you have already said Krishnam Kshetram Avabhasayati. I remember yesterday you asked the question about Kshetram, etc., etc. You say, iti uktam, we have already said. So this again we are not saying, we are just reminding. It is smaranam. Sarvavabhasakatve katham buddhyaiva samyam iti ashankya. Okay, it is illumining everything. Why it is similar to only buddhi, not other things? Tena sarvena samano buddhi samanya dvarena. It appears like everything, but the main entry point is buddhi. Buddhi samanya is the dvaram, dvarena. Sarvavabhasakatvam tat shabdartha. So it has sarvavabhasakatvam. Kimartham tarhi buddhya samanyam uktam iti ashankya. Okay, then kimartham tarhi buddhya samanyam uktam. Then why there is samanyam, similarity with buddhi iti ashankya, dvaratvena ityaya. It is dvaram. बुद्धि सामान्य द्वारेण आत्मनः सर्वेण समानत्वे वाक्य शेषम अनुकूलयति. आत्मा is सर्वेण समान. In that वाक्य शेषम, later it will be said in the Upanishad, सर्वम सर्वमय इति च अत एव वक्ष्यति. Vakshati 445 in the 4th chapter it will come, Chaturdha Adhyaya. That Atma is Sarvamaya. Atayeva Vakshati. Vakyashesha Siddhe Arthe Loka Bhranter Gamakatvam Aha. Vakyashesha Siddhe Arthe, in the Vakyashesha Siddhartha, Loka Bhranti is Gamakam, means Jnapakam. Gamakam means Jnapakam. Tena sau kutaschit pravibhajya munje shrikavat svena jyoti rupena darshaitum na shakyata iti. Sarva vyaparam tatra adhyaropya nama rupa gatam jyotir dharmam cha nama rupayor nama rupe cha atma jyotishi sarvo loko momokhyate. Tena atau asau kutaschit pravibhajya. So because of this loka bhranti, kutaschit pravibhajya munja ishikavat svena jyoti rupena darshaitum na shakyate. that Atma is Jyoti Swarupa, it is difficult to distinguish. We are studying Vedanta from so many years. Still, our attention, if we want to put our attention to Atma, we have to put special effort. It is not sahaja, it is not spontaneous. And Bhagavan Bhashyakar himself says, Tena asau kutaschit pravibhajya, to separate it from Buddhyadi Anatma and show like how Munja and Ishika are to separate. Jyoti Rupena Atma Darshaitum na shakyate. Iti Sarva Vyaparam Tatra Adhyaropya Nama Rupagatam. So, Anvay, you have to do this way. Nama Rupagatam Sarva Vyaparam Tatra Adhyaropya. Nama Rupagata, all Vyapara, any Vyapara which is associated with Nama Rupa, everything is superimposed on Atma. Tatra Adhyaropya. Jyotir Dharmam Cha. Jyotir Dharmam Cha. Then, how you complete the Vakya?
Adhyaropya.
Adhyaropya. Jyoti Dharma also is superimposed. Where? Nama Rupa Yoho, Nama Rupe Cha, Atma Jyotishi. Jyotir Dharmam, Nama Rupa Yoho. Nama Rupa Yoho. What is the Vibhakti?
Saptami Dvivachana.
Saptami Dvivachana. Jyoti Dharma is superimposed in Nama Rupa. Nama Rupa are superimposed in Atma Jyotishi. Sarvo Loko Momuhyate. In this way, everybody Momuhyate. Momuhyate, Yanganta. Mukh Dhatu, Mukh Vaichitye. Mukh Dhatu is Parasmay Pada, Muhyati. But Yanganta Prayoga will become Atmane Pada. So it will get Pita Atmane Padanam Tere, and it will become Atmane Pada. Momuhyate. Momu means Brisham. Again and again. Repeatedly people are deluded. Means we study Adhyasa Bhashya, we understand, and then again there is delusion. And again you study, again there is clarity, again delusion. Tika, Sarvamayattvena iti yavat. Tena means Sarvamayattvena, because it is Sarvamaya. Atman Atmanor Viveka Darshanasya Ashakyatve Paraspara Adhyasas Tad Dharmadhyasas Cha Syat Tatasya Lokanam Moho Bhave Dityaha. Because of the Atma Anatma Aviveka, Viveka Darshanasya Ashakyatvam. So what happens? Paraspara Adhyasa, Atma Anatma Adhyasa, Dharma Adhyasa or Dharmi Adhyasa.
Both.
Both Adhyasa. Paraspara Adhyasas Tad Dharma Adhyasas Cha Syat. Tatasya Lokanam Moho Bhave. And then there is Moha. Lokanam Moha. Everyone gets deluded. Loko Momuhyate. Iti Sarvo Loka. Dharmi Vishayam Moham Abhinayati. First he shows Dharmi Adhyasa. Ayam Atma, Nayam Atma, Evam Dharma. न एवं धर्म, अयम आत्मा नायम आत्मा, दिस इज धर्मी अध्यास। धर्म विषय मोहम दर्शयति, एवं धर्म नैवं धर्म, दिस इज आत्मा, दिस इज नॉट आत्मा, दिस काइंड ऑफ, दिस इज धर्मी मोह। एवं धर्म, हाउ विल यू डू समास विग्रह? एवं धर्म एवं धर्म,
एवं धर्मो यस्य आत्मनः,
स आत्मा,
एवं धर्मा,
हाउ देर इज धर्मा दीर्घ, धर्मादनिच केवलात्, there is a sutra, we have seen this before, धर्मादनिच केवलात्, कल्याणो धर्मो यस्य सह कल्याण धर्मा, प्रिय धर्मो यस्य सह प्रिय धर्मा, but only if it is dharma. If you add something else, paramah swadharmo asya saha paramaswadharmah, there dharma will not happen. Why? Because dharma shabda should be there by itself, not with swadharma and all. Then karta tadeva sputayati. So now this dharmadhyasa, कर्ता कर्ता शुद्धो अशुद्धो बद्धो मुक्तः स्थितो गतः आगतो अस्ति नास्ति इत्यादि विकल्प। ऑल दीज आर विकल्प। विकल्पैः सर्वो लोको मोमुह्यते इति संबंधः। आत्मा ही शुद्ध और अशुद्ध, कर्ता और अकर्ता, बद्ध और मुक्त। आत्मा मीन्स मी। एम आई कर्ता और अकर्ता? एम आई शुद्ध और अशुद्ध, बद्ध और मुक्त, स्थितो गता, आगता, अस्ति नास्ति? अस्ति नास्ति इन मांडुक्य, अस्ति नास्ति 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 वा पुनः चल स्थिरो भया भावई। देन चतुर्थ पाद, एनीबॉडी रिमेंबर्स? All these are Atma asti, nasti, asti nasti, nasti nasti, vikalpas are there. Different darshanikas. People are deluded by them. स समानः सन इति अस्य अर्थम उक्त्वा अवशिष्टम भागम व्याकरोति. तो स समानः सन, this much he explained. Then अतः समानः सन उभौ लोकौ प्रतिपन्न प्रतिपत्त व्याविह प्रतिपत्तव्य प्रतिपत्तव्यौ इह लोक परलोकौ उपात्त देहेन्द्रियादि संघात त्यागात् संघात त्याग अन्य उपादान संतान प्रबंध शत सन्निपातैर अनुक्रमेण संचरति. This is what it does. Is Atma associated with Buddhi. Ubhau lokau pratipanna pratipatta pratipattavyau. What is to be seen, what is to be experienced, what is to be prapta. Pratipanna pratipattavyau. Ihaloka paralokau. Here and hereafter. It takes up one body, upatta deha indriyadi sanghata. Then tyaga, tatyaga, sanghata, tyaga. Then Anya Upadanam, next one it takes. And it's Santanam is Santati, that Pravaha continues. Prabandha Shata Sannipatai, the endless fall in this. Anukramena Sancharati. It is a Pravaha Patita, like if a log of wood enters into Ganga Pravaha. Right now, in particular, when Gangaji is, both streams are so full, all the way packed. You never know where it will end. It will end only in Ganga Sagar. It will just go on. Pravaha Patita. So if we don't put forth enough effort, then already we are in Pravaha Patita, already one after the other Janma. He sadrishyam eva ubhay loka sancharana hetur na swatah iti. Is Atma actually doing anusancharanam? No. He sadrishyam is similarity with buddhi and then adhyasa with buddhi. Only sadrishyam is not the hetu. Adhyas with that buddhi is the hetu. Eva ubhay loka sancharana hetu. Na swatah. Not by itself. Atmanah swabhavikam ubhay loka sancharanam iti ashankya anantar vakyam agate. Atmanah swabhavikam ubhay loka sancharanam. Somebody thinks, why with buddhi and buddhi doing sancharanam? All other darshanikas have accepted Atma is anusancharati. Only you Advaiti, I said, no, Atma doesn't go anywhere. All Mimamsakas, Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaisheshik, everybody says Atma goes from one loka to another. Tatra nama rupopadi sadrishyam bhranti nimittam yat tadeva hetur na swatah iti etad uchyate. Nama rupa upadi sadrishyam is bhranti nimittam. Yad bhranti nimittam. Tadeva hetu. That is the hetu. Na swatah. So nama rupa upadi sadrishya, similarity, is the nimitta. Then that sadrishya causes adhyasa. This you have to understand. Atma saptamyartha. Tatra is Atma. Atmani. Yataha shabdo vakshamana ataha shabdena sambhadyate. In Bhashya, Yasmat sa samanah san ubhau loka vanukramena sancharati. Tadetat pratyaksham iti etat tad darshayati. Etat darshayati. That samanah san ubhau loko anukramena sancharati. In anukrama, one after the other, it is pratyaksham. Means it is very well known. A jiva is born here, then it goes to some loka, then again is born. So yataha, that yataha anvaya has to happen with ataha. Yata is there, first line, end. Ataha, third line, end. Yato dhyayativa. Now next part. Aksharotham artham ukva vakyartham aha. Dhyayativa. Dhyana vyaparam karoti iva. Chintayati iva. Dhyana vyaparavatim buddhim. So now dhyayativa, lelayativa. As if Atma is doing dhyana vyapar. As if Atma in class, as if Atma is paying attention. As if I am paying attention. Really speaking, I am not paying attention. I am paying attention. Really speaking, it is Eva only. I am not paying attention. I don't know what is happening. No, not that way. You should take it. Buddhi is paying attention. Dhyayati. Chintayati. Dhyana vyapara buddhi. Some people, they can just turn on and then dhyayati iva, means as if they are paying attention to Brahadaranyaka. ध्यान व्यापारम करोति चिंतयति. ध्यानवतीं बुद्धिं व्याप्तश्चिदात्मा ध्यायति इव इति अत्र दृष्टान्तः. So ध्यानवतीं बुद्धि व्याप्त is chidatma. So it appears as if buddhi is doing dhyana. I mean, atma is doing dhyana. In भाष्य ध्यान व्यापारवतीं बुद्धिं सह आत्मा तत्स्थेन चित् स्वभाव ज्योति रूपेण अवभासयन् तत्सदृशस् तत्समानः संध्यायति समानः सन् ध्यायति इव आलोकवत्. Just like the light. So if the light is falling on the ghata, then if ghata is moving, as if the light is also moving with the ghata. Really speaking, light is there everywhere. Because object moves, we think light is also there with the object. Because object, wherever it is, it becomes illumined. So alokavat, like that, dhyayati iva. यथा खलु आलोको नीलम पीतम वा विषयम व्यश्नुवानः तदाकारो दृश्यते तथा अयमपि ध्यानवती बुद्धिं भासयन् ध्यानवानिव भवति इत्यर्थः. Just as aloka is नीलम पीतम वा विषयम व्यश्नुवानः व्याप्तवान्. Actually व्याप्तौ इति धातु. तदाकारो दृश्यते. दृश्यते इस कर्मणि प्रयोग. कः दृश्यते? कः दृश्यते? आलोकः. आलोको दृश्यते. तथा अयमपि आत्मा ध्यानवती बुद्धिं भासयन्. आत्मा इल्यूमिनिंग द बुद्धि ध्यानवान इव भवति, as if it is paying attention or it is meditating. Really buddhi is meditating, but I feel I am meditating. यथोक्त बुद्धि अवभासकत्वम उक्तम हेतुम अनुद्य फलितमान. बुद्धि अवभासकत्वम is the हेतु और ध्यायति इव लेलायति इव. फलितम is अतो भवति चिंतयति इति भ्रांतिर्लोकस्य. अतो भवति चिंतयति भ्रांतिर्लोकस्य. लोकस्य भ्रांतिर्भवति. भवति कर्ता. हु इज द कर्ता ऑफ भवति?
Aloka.
Atma.
Mind.
No. Anybody else?
Buddhihi.
Okay, next. person. Next person has advantage that they already know 4 answers are not true. Such a simple question. See, what is the question? लोक भवति चिंतयति इति भ्रांतिर्लोकस्य. Who is the karta of bhavati?
भ्रान्तिः
Bhrantihi. Bhrantihi bhavati. Bhranti is there in prathama.
स्वामीजी भवति चिन्तयति
Bhavati chintayati means chintayati is the shabdartha of bhavati. Chintayati is the meaning. Lokasya bhrantihi chintayati. Means chintayati iti. When it is said chintayati iti, he does chintanam. This is the bhranti. I am doing chintanam. This is the bhranti. The nature of bhranti is given. Chintayati is, iti is there, therefore it is in inverted commas. Understood?
No, Swamiji.
No.
Bhavati चिन्तयति is a verb. क्रियापद.
No. Chintayati iti. Chintayati iti bhranti. What is the nature of bhranti? Chintayati. Kaha chintayati? Atma chintayati iti bhranti. Lokasya bhranti bhavati. Main vakya is this. Lokasya bhrantir bhavati. What is the nature of bhranti? Chintayati. Atma chintayati iti bhranti. Ramaha chintayati. Okay. Ramaha or kim chintayati? Aham gamishyami iti. So, Ramaha aham gamishyami iti chintayati. Who is the karta of chintayati? So you cannot say gamishyami is the verb. Chintayati karta is Rama. What is the nature of that chintanam? Aham gamishyami. Aham vanam gamishyami. In this. न तो परमार्थतो ध्यायति. इव शब्दार्थम कथयति. इव शब्दार्थ, it is only a perception. न तो परमार्थतः ध्यायति. Really there is no dhyana. टीका टिप्पणी 1 number. ध्यानम अत्र निशेष धी वृत्ति नाम उपलक्षणम. ध्यानम means all buddhi vrittis. It is only one उपलक्षण. तथा लेलायति इव इति अर्थम चलति इव. लेलायति means चलति. तेषु एव कर्णेषु. टीका बुद्धि धर्माणाम आत्मनि औपाधिकत्वेन मिथ्यात्वम उक्त्वा प्राणधर्माणाम अपि तत्र तथात्वं कथयति. बुद्धि धर्माणाम आत्मनि औपाधिकत्वम. बुद्धि धर्म in atma they are upadhi. Then therefore they are mithya. Buddhi dharmas are mithya in atma. Prana dharmas are also mithya in atma. So lelayati is prana dharma. Lelayati iva. Chalati iva. Atmani chalanasya upadhikatvam sadhayati. In atma, how there is chalanam aupadikam, teshu eva karneshu buddhyadishu vayushu cha chalatsu. Buddhyadi and vayu means prana. Vayushu cha chalatsu. Tad avabhasakatvat tad sadrisham tad iti lelayati iva. So he has done vibhaga. Dhyayati is jnana shakti. Lelayati is kriya shakti. Both are superimposed in atma. Neither atma has jnana shakti, means to do any activity, or kriya, jnana kriya or karana kriya. none of them are there. इव शब्द सामर्थ्य सिद्धम अर्थम आह न तो परमार्थतः चलन धर्मकम तदात्म ज्योति। परमार्थतः चलन धर्मकम तदात्म ज्योति ही न। In reality, Atma Jyoti doesn't have Chalana Dharma. Atma is nothing is there. Everything is Upadhi only. Because of Upadhi, it seems Atma is of this nature. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.